unusual happened, and you were there for all 11 justices. 2 are retired now. Anything unusual happen?
Well, actually, one of the most unusual things that happened, we'd load in and load out every day at the loading dock. And you'd see John Paul Stevens driving in, 89 years old, driving himself into work, parking his own car, getting in the elevator. You'd see Chief Justice Roberts getting dropped off. And the day that we were going to do the interview with Justice Thomas, his wife dropped him off in the garage, and we were literally there near a dumpster waiting to get escorted into the building. And I thought he was going to go into the entrance that the justices normally go in. And he came right over to us and said, "Can I help you? And is somebody coming down to get you?" And we ended up having about a 15-minute conversation there at the loading dock with Justice Thomas about, obviously nothing about the law, but we talked with him about his RV, how he travels around the country. So it was sort of an unexpected conversation we had with him. One of the other sort of funny things that happened was we did an interview, the interview with Justice Kennedy, and it was scheduled for 30 minutes, and they came in the room, they said he's got a very tight schedule and he's got to keep the 30 minutes. And Justice Kennedy heard this and he said, I'm not really in a hurry. I've got a lifetime appointment and I'm not going to say anything that's going to get me fired. They don't need to be worried about anything. Go ahead and take a little bit extra time with us. So, it was a very, between us and the court, a very collegial understanding. But, they wanted to keep it to certain lengths of time. We always wanted to push it a little bit. That's sort of I think that's the nature of any type of television interview. You're the company, and then you've got the folks who you're interviewing. So that's normal, but it was sort of a funny moment where he said, take some more time if you need.